Garlic, the humble hero sitting in your kitchen right now, could be a game changer for your health. When you slice or crush those cloves, you unleash magical sulfur compounds. These compounds aren't just for adding flavor. They're like tiny gym buddies for your immune system, helping your body fight off infections and diseases. And yes, that includes the nasty cold and flu viruses. Cold and flu season got you down. Well, garlic might just be your new best friend. Start adding more garlic to your meals and watch your immune system do a victory dance. Picture this. Garlic is your personal chef who adds a dash of flavor and a whole lot of health to your dishes. But wait, there's more. Garlic is a nutritional powerhouse packed with essential vitamins and minerals. Manganese for bone health, vitamin B6 for brain power, vitamin C for immunity, and selenium for, well, pretty much everything. Plus, it's a good source of fiber and all that in just a few calories. That's a winning combo right there. But that's not all. This little bulb is like a Swiss Army knife for your body. Need to lower your blood pressure or cholesterol? Garlic supplements can help, showing similar results to some prescription meds. And here's the best part: fewer side effects. Want to boost your brain power and memory? Garlic's antioxidants may help protect against dementia and Alzheimer's disease. It's like a shield for your brain. Concerned about heavy metal toxicity? Garlic might be able to help detox your body, making it a potential ally in the battle against lead and other harmful metals. And if you're an athlete, garlic could be your secret weapon for reducing exercise-induced stress and potentially improving your endurance. But garlic isn't just a one-trick pony. Its benefits are as diverse as its uses in cooking. Need to lower your blood pressure or cholesterol? Garlic's bioactive compounds can help keep those numbers in check. Want to support your brain health and cognitive function? Garlic's got you covered. Concerned about oxidative stress? Garlic's antioxidants may help neutralize harmful free radicals. Struggling with athletic performance or recovery? Garlic could potentially lend a helping hand. And let's not forget about longevity. Studies have shown that people who include garlic in their diet tend to live longer. While it's hard to isolate the effects of a single food on lifespan, garlic's impressive track record makes it a worthwhile addition to your diet. So how can you incorporate garlic into your routine? Start by adding fresh cloves to your meals, whether you're vegetables, making a salad dressing, or marinating meat. You can also use garlic powder or oil in your cooking. And if you're feeling adventurous, try garlic supplements. No matter how you choose to use it, garlic is a delicious and effective way to boost your health. So go ahead, unleash the power of garlic and get ready to feel like a healthier, happier you.